Now that we already set up our document, let's try to look at the wireframe that we've created. I place it on the images and select Wireframe PNG and open it to Photoshop. So I'm going to open it. So here is our wireframe that we've created. On the top part, we have our header. Next to it is the banner, the services section, latest work, design process, testimonials, a call to action section, and the footer. So let's start up with the header. So the header contains logo and navigation. Switch on to the grid, and on the top part, by dragging here, we can create a new guide. Turn on the baseline grid and zoom in. We're going to make a guideline 60 pixels from the top. So using this, the ruler tool, by pressing I on the keyboard or by just locating it here, on the information panel, we can see what is the current height of what we are measuring or here. So when it reaches 60, add another guide. Now we're going to place the logo and the navigation. File, open, and on the images, there is a logo.png. And hit on OK. Now, Control A or Command A, X to cut it, and Command V to paste it. Now let's place this like that. As you notice, the logo is a bit up on the baseline grid here. So what we're going to do is add another guide there. And let's place the logo just like that. Make sure to name it logo. Now zoom out now, and on the right side, let's start placing the menus. So on the resource provided, I included content. Now this content contains the text on what we will be creating, and also the font size for that part. So our navigation will contain home, make sure to create a new layer and group it and name it navigation. By using text tool or by pressing T, and make sure that the font is Railway and the size will be 15 pt. So we have home. For the meantime, let's choose black color. And let's make it all caps. And make sure change this to 50 to have a little bit spacing of the text. If we turn off the baseline grid, we can place the link here. This will be followed by the services, and the spacing for each link will be 40 pixels. So by pressing Shift and the right key, this will create a 10 pixel margin. So hit 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now duplicate the text and hit 4 times again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and change it to work. Followed by about, and followed by contact us. Now, make sure to align this like that. Now from Railway Regular, let's change it to semi-bold. Now let's add a hover or active state for home. So create a new layer and choose the line tool. Make sure it's 2 pixel and just create underline below the text. Now for the spacing for this, select all the links and including the line, and make sure that this line is right on the baseline grid. And put this up like that. So if we turn on our guides, as you can see, everything is on place and aligned. So now that we already placed our logo and our navigation links, on the next video, we're going to work on the banner part. This part. So see you guys on the next video.